In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new pages in Looker Studio reports. We all know how beneficial it is to keep your reports well organized, especially when dealing with large datasets or multiple metrics. Whether you're looking to expand your current report or simply add some detail, this guide will take you through the process step by step. To start off, you'll need to open up your browser. In the search bar, type in Looker Studio. This will bring up the search results you need. Once you've successfully navigated to Looker Studio's website, the next step is to log in. If you aren't already signed in, make sure to enter your credentials accurately. Logging in gives you access to all your existing reports and enables you to make any necessary edits. Next, you will need to open the specific report in Looker Studio where you want to add the new page. It's important to ensure that you are in the editor view. This view allows you to make the necessary changes and modifications to your reports. The editor view is usually simple to identify and navigate, as it features various editing tools across the interface. As you scan the top of the screen, look for the toolbar. This is where you'll need to focus your attention. Within this toolbar, there's a button labeled "Plus Add a Page." This button is crucial for our task today because it allows you to expand your report by adding new pages. Take a moment to locate this button before proceeding. It's typically positioned among other essential tools and icons. Once found, the process is as simple as clicking on the "Plus Add a Page" button. With just a single click, Looker Studio will create a new blank page for your report. This automatically generated page gives you the perfect fresh slate to work with. You can immediately start adding graphs, tables, or other widgets to your new page as needed. Adding additional pages to your report is not only about expanding, but it's also about providing clarity and better structure to your findings. As you continue to build and edit your reports, keeping this feature in mind will be invaluable. It can help maintain a clear, logical flow of information and make it easier for anyone reviewing your work to understand your insights. Now that you've learned how to add a new page in Looker Studio reports, you have a powerful tool at your disposal. You're well on your way to creating more comprehensive and organized reports. With this newfound skill, your reporting can now easily grow alongside your data needs. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.